In this video, I'll be taking you through the steps involved with setting up a template for Z-factor determination for In-Cell Western. And so here on the template library, you will notice that it does come with 3 presets for Z-factor. They all are basically the same, just different order in which the wells are laid out. So first thing you're going to do is click on Create Template. And we're going to type in Z prime. Give it whatever kind of description is useful for you. And then for assay, we need to select In-Cell Western and 96 well plate format and Z prime factor determination. Click Next. And then in this first window that comes here, we'll need to set up the background wells. Say set as background. And if you need to, you can add a description on here. Now, background wells are wells that have cells in them but have not been treated with cell stain but have been treated with secondary antibody. Click on Next, and then we need to set up our positive controls. And then if you ever accidentally click on a well and select it, just click on it again to deselect it. I neglected to set as positive, so needed to click on that. Say set as negative. And then if you did have any additional samples on there, we obviously don't on this because this is a full plate, but if you did have additional samples, you can add those in there at this point as well. And then if you have different groups, so let's say that you have different drug compounds or cells that you're testing, you can group them together so that you can have separate analyses for those separate groups. And all you have to do is highlight a set of wells, click Select Wells, and then those will be created in their own group. Right now we're just going to select everything because we're using the entire plate for the Z prime factor analysis. Click Next, and then it takes you to the review page, and you can see that we have a single group with positive, negative, and background wells all on here. And then once you've gotten to this point, you can just click Done, and then you are finished. Thank you.